So you might be having some problems on your Apple EarPods, or for some reason the microphone is just not working. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. There's never just one reason why something like this could end up happening. But the very first thing I recommend doing for the most part is making sure that your particular EarPods that you have are properly connected to your particular iPhone, Android, whatever you're connecting your particular headphones to. Because if you're connecting your device to your particular, whatever you're connecting it to, if this connection is not properly working, that is probably going to be the number one issue that you're running into. So go through, double check that these particular things are properly connected, and that is going to be the number one way, in my opinion, to fix this problem. Double check it again. That'd be the number one thing I'd recommend doing to fix it, because as long as it's connected, that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. The other thing you want to do too is you want to make sure that this particular microphone was not, randomly messed up or is not randomly disconnected from something. If this microphone, sometimes I've seen people pull these wires too hard. So you want to double check that you can still hear something from that particular headphone. As long as this headphone is still functional, then this thing should kind of be functional too. So just make sure that's not the problem either. If this headphone is not working, then that might mean this microphone is not working either. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, another thing you may want to try doing too is just to double check once again your particular device that you're recording your audio with. So in this case, let's say I had this iPhone, right? And let's say I was trying to record the audio. Well, once again, I would make sure that my particular headphones are connected to this particular to this iPhone. So I'd go and plug it in as I always would. But you'd also want to make sure you're going into an application that can connect to different headphones. So if I go into voice memos, for example, right? If I go and make my way over to voice memos, I can make my way here. I can go and click here. And as long as I can just double check it. So as you can see, I'm tapping into here and it's actually, kind of moving things around. That could actually mean that this thing is actually working as it should. So double check it. You can try restarting your device, updating your device. But those are just a couple of different ways to fix those problems. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.